arrested.
Well, 900 million people and counting. Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, the social media world is growing by the minute.
But with every new user comes the opportunity for an alternative life, including secrets that may break up or blow up a relationship. It is the new face of divorce, and what you post online can and will be used against you.
If you're like most people, you've probably checked out an ex-boyfriend's Facebook page or looked up an old girlfriend on classmates.com. But this seemingly harmless behavior is going a lot further and leading to the end of more and more marriages.
He left his Facebook up one day and there was a whole nother life.
This woman, who doesn't want to show her face out of embarrassment, was shocked to find that her husband had a whole other life with a handful of other women online.
I was shocked because I thought everything was great.
People are getting into treacherous terrain on Facebook, rekindling memories, relationships.
Attorney Ann Carrozza says she has countless clients whose marriages have been ruined by social media.
It's absolutely devastating. It rocks someone's world, and I see it every week.
It's so common, there's even a website called FacebookCheating.com.
We're seeing emails and stories come in every day.
Craig Gross, who runs the site, says hundreds of people have written about their spouses stepping out on them with the help of this social media site. But cheating isn't the only offshoot of social media misuse.
I just couldn't believe it.
This woman, who also asked that we conceal her identity, decided to check out her husband's Facebook page and was shocked to find that he was writing derogatory and threatening comments about her.
It made me sick to my stomach.
Ultimately, it led her to file for divorce.
It did give me a glimpse into him that I hadn't seen.
And there are countless other examples of marriage-ending online behaviors. Police say this woman tried to hire a hitman on Facebook to kill her partner. And this man was arrested for bigamy after posting a picture of his second wife on Facebook without divorcing his first wife. And this woman says she found out her husband wanted a divorce because he posted it on his Facebook page.
Who decides, okay, I don't want to be with my wife anymore, and instead of arranging a meeting like a decent human being, I'm going to tell her on Facebook.
It's opening up a whole new spectrum of opportunity for lawyers to attack the other side.
Attorney Barry Weinberger says too many people fail to realize everything they say and do on these sites can and will be used against them.
The evidence is shocking, and the courts are starting to rely heavily upon it.
The husband is saying, you know, I'm out of money, business is terrible, and all of a sudden you discover on Facebook or YouTube he's sitting in his, you know, new Mercedes.
And that can mean a change in alimony payments, a change in child custody, and so much more, depending on what you post.
Just picture what would the reaction be if a judge saw that.
Matrimonial lawyers say that they've seen a big increase in cases involving social media sites over the last 5 years.